Hey, to change voicemail notification sound on the Samsung Galaxy M15 5G, first you have to open the phone dialer, then click on the three dots in the right upper corner and open Settings. Now you will have to scroll down, open Voicemail, and then select Notifications. Now from this you've got the sound, so it's actually the default one. Go into your sound application. So this is actually the default one. You can change the volume level of this sound, and you can also change the sound, for example this one. And then we can go back. And as you can see, that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe.